Alright guys, today we got something special. We are going to change the turning lights, both right and left. So when you turn the car on and turn lights on, all the lights are going to turn white. But since I'm guessing it's illegal to put the, especially the turning lights, white, once you flip it up or down, whatever turn light button or thing you have, it will start blinking orange. And you have to get yourself a flasher, CF18 Flasher. 10 bucks, 60 bucks. Alright, first thing, pretty simple to install the lights. Turn your wheel to the right, depending on the side taken off, and just take these pins off. I'm missing one, but these two down here, with any flathead or anything. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, once you open it, turn it to the right a little bit, and there you go, the light bulb. For the left, signal light. Right? And again, I don't got my assistant here, just me. So bear with me opening this. Open the top. This. There you go. And perfect, good looking LED light. Put this down here. Try to plug this. Put this back in. Somewhere you brought it out. And there you go. I forgot to put these pins back. You can just press it in with force. Of course, my car, so I don't cover brakes, but you know what I mean. Right, same thing. Found this little thing. I don't know what. I'm not sure if this is meant for this, but just find whatever rolls your boat. Right to the left. There you go. It's a light. Take it off. Hit the regular LED. Simple like that. Put it in. Good install. And there you go. Good. Alright. Now time to shine. Alright. There you go. White. You gotta clean that too. White. But when you turn the signal on, it's gonna start hyper flashing, as you can see right here. So that's, hey, hold up bro, I ain't trying to get copyrighted. This is gonna be the hard part, especially for my stubby hands. Alright guys, it's gonna be hard. My camera guy is showing you where to install this, but here it is. Here's the final view. Let's see. Okay. Take my glasses off. But right here, this is the thing. This is the relay. The relay thing. Yeah, the new one that I installed for turning lights turn white, and once turn the signal to the right or left. It's like a 1 second delay. I'm gonna show you right now, but man, it's hot. But other than that, it had to be hanging. I have to leave it hanging because the original one, the factory one, it's right there. You can see that's the one. That's the factory one. You can leave it there just in case you want to put it back or something. And the one I put, the relay, which is not bad. It's just hanging right here. I mean, you can put zip ties, but other than that, man, only y'all can see how awkward I'm laying down over here. But other than that, I'm gonna show you how it looks now. After I switch the relay under the steering wheel, this is how it's gonna look. Man guys, it looks so perfect. Look at this. You got the headlights there. Turning signal lights white. LED white. Whatever I just said. The other one. And the other turning signal. Oh my god, look at this. White. Which I'm pretty sure it's illegal, but the turn signal up to turn or whatever, This is how it's gonna look. That's how it's gonna look. And if you don't install that relay, it's gonna be flashing, like it's gonna be flashing, which I forgot the right term, but it's gonna be flashing. And the ones in the back gonna be flashing like when you turn on your hazardous lights, but look like this. And I'm gonna turn it on back. It's like a 1 second delay. Just look at these lights. Looks so awesome. Right, let me show the other ones. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect.
Perfect, guy.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Right, little man?
Yeah.
Yes. They were $60 to switch turn lights. And 10 for the, I'll put a picture right here. 10 for the diode relay, whatever. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna just show you a picture. But just look at these. I know in the night it looks so better. Just like this. And that little man's in it. But other than that, I'm gonna put the two things I just bought in the description. Like I said, it probably takes you 30 minutes to install everything. And the only hard part is getting under the wheel. But I recommend getting the $10 one, which is still good. But if you want a little bit more, you know, $60. You want to make your car more flashy, not ricey. I mean, it's not like I said, ricey, but it's your car, so I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. But bless you. Other than that, that's it for this part. And thank you. Other than that, that's it for that part. Thank you, guys. Peace. Alright, guys, in today's video, I'm going to do some headlight restoration, heavy duty restoration kit for our headlights. So it has yellow texture, as you can see. I mean, it's not that bad, but you know. But we're just gonna use this, which cost me $30 at AutoZone. And yesterday I went to Walmart. It was $25, so prefer to go check out Walmart. But other than that, comes with a lot of good stuff. Which is this. It's a pad where you can put your sand thing. Just go around it. This black thing where you can put the plastics coating, I think, if I remember, looking at the video. And then this is a sandpaper thing, which is not that rough. Comes with two for both headlights. Doing this with one hand and another one. We got the two bottles, plastic, the clear plastic cleaner polish, and the headlight coating right here. This one, I think we used at the end if I remember in the video. But yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, I'm not an expert on this. I'll try my best. I look at the other videos, which is pretty simple. It takes like 10 minutes. But let's get to it. Also, you may need a little bit of Windex at the beginning to clean it, to clean a little bit of the dirt. And some towels, paper towels, whatever, just to clean it. After you clean Windex for a bit, just, you know, just all the goo out, like all this poo-poo and stuff. You're gonna put a tape around. Depends on your headlights. Put a tape around here. Either you can put some paper with tape on it. Alright, guys, as you can see, it's not the best way, but I mean, it looks kind of firm. Oh, prefer to use Scotch tape, because if you use the other tape, like use this type of tape. Where is it? Scotch tape, cheap. It doesn't stick too hard when you take it off, it won't rip. But yeah. Next step is get a lot of water, and you get this, and then get the dark red and stick it into this. It's like a Velcro type thing, and we're gonna sand it all this, like, I think sideways if I'm correct. And keep putting water. Since I can't show you the process because I only got one hand, the little homie's sleeping, so give me a minute and I'm gonna show you the results. Alright, guys, after all that, you clean it with the Velcro and the water, sand it all. Go get your drill, borrow a drill like I did, and put the sponge on it. We're gonna put it in slow in the meantime, and then you put it into fast mode. But before you do all that, you have to put this on the sponge, the plastics, the clear plastic cleaner polish, Like just put like a couple 5 dabs on it on the sponge, and then after you put in the sponge, just before you turn it on, just go around it like manually like that, and then that's when you turn on the drill and start cleaning it. Alright guys, give me a minute. So after you use the drill, see the difference? You use the drill, clean it with the plastics, and get a big rag. You get an AutoZone for like $5 and just clean it around like that. I haven't put the coating in, so that's next. See the difference between that one and that one, the yellow one. We'll get a better comparison, but let me put the coating and we're gonna see after that. And here it is guys, the clear coating came out kind of perfect. I was astonished. I thought I was doing a pretty bad job, but I mean it's not that bad. This is the one I clean right now. This is the dirty yellow one. The other one I'm gonna do next, the one on the right. So we won't see because this one is clean and dirty. Well guys, let's check the other one. And after you do it, just let it rest for a minute, as you can see, and just start doing the other one. Guys, pretty much the same thing in this one. Clean it with Windex real quick before I put the tape. You got a towel or paper towel, and just clean and rinse it out, and then I'm sure the next. Alright guys, and here's the second headlight. Came out pretty clean, and here we go guys. The second headlight done, polished, coated, and everything. Here's the right one with my right, and here's the left one. It's not bad guys. It didn't come out that bad. I mean, like I said, I'm no pro, but I mean, it is what it is. But I mean, it's always good to learn by yourself. And I mean, I'm just doing this also because I'm gonna buy new headlights. But in the meantime, you know, money's tight. You already know, but there you go guys, and that's it. See you at the next install or whatever I'm doing. Well, peace guys.